After going through these lessons, you should have everything you need to evaluate a transition from side hustler to freelancer. Becoming your own full-time business requires you to be your own boss. Make sure you are setting those boundaries and being a better boss to yourself. It's not something that's a given, and every business owner will tell you it's something you must work at. Determine how much you need to earn to make this worth it. This isn't easy and can scare you from getting started. However, be encouraged by the side hustle you've built so far and use your best judgment to gain a realistic perspective on what your numbers will look like. As you put together your business plan, summarize all of your services, target marketing, and details, keeping in mind an exit strategy. Thinking through your business plan gets all your assumptions out of your head and onto paper. It also allows you to share with others the big step you're looking to take. Take the checklist from these lessons and make sure you have what you need to get started on day one. In addition, review your branding and services so you can keep a forward-thinking mindset. The success marker from going from side hustler to freelancer isn't about getting started, but about how you will keep going once you do. Finally, work on that lead pipeline, your process, and how you get new clients so you can leap into day one with a thriving new business. Ultimately, only you can make the decision if self-employment as a full-time freelancer is right for you. Often a big decision like this takes time. Use the evaluations, questions, checklists, and resources of this course to help you make that big decision. Making the switch from side hustler to full-time freelancer is more than just an increase in hours. You're beginning a business that you'll have for many years to come. Thinking of the long term will help encourage you through all the hard work to get started. Be dedicated to building something special, your very own business.